So what's up my people, it's your boy speaking here once again with another video. We are still celebrating Avive mining, and I started to make another video on one particular big project that I saw that is going to help another people to make money. At least Avive Core, another project that I've listed with Reminato and other things, have showed you guys and that showed us and that proved to us that you can make any amount of money from Airdrop without actually investing any money. All they need is just your participation in the project and interaction with whatever they ask us to do. So with this, I have brought another legit project for you guys not to miss out. So all you have to do is to watch this video attentively and understand every other thing. So as you can see in the screen, this is a tweet showing that this particular project called Get Grass claims that they have raised 3.5 million dollar worth of seed around. So they led by their, I think they have some funding groups, or you can call it partners. You can see they partner with Polychain, Tribe Capital, and Bysky, Typhon, and so on and so forth. But that is not what we are here to do today, because we're actually trying to know how we can actually benefit from it, and that is what I'm actually going to show you guys in this video today. So what you have to do for me now is to watch the video attentively, take your time, watch this video, and as you're watching it, don't forget to drop a like, follow for more updates, join my WhatsApp group for more updates like this, because sometimes most of my updates comes to your WhatsApp even before going to YouTube. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on that subscribe button, that black subscribe button or white depending on your color. Click on it now and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop this kind of update. Check the airdrops I do once in a while, they normally launch, so don't miss it out. And with this I say, let's dive into the main video of the day. So all you have to do is to fill out this information about the sign up by hitting your email, username, password, confirm password. Don't worry, the referral code is going to be automatically there, and it's a compulsory something as far as you follow the link in the screen of this video, and then click on agree to terms and conditions and register. So once you're done signing up, your account is just going to look like this. I can see I just created this account right now. It's just right now that I created this account. And you guys know me, whenever I'm doing videos like this, whenever I'm going into a project or update like this, I always like to do a live video. So I think according to what the system is saying, they actually dealing with, or you can actually you will end with your data connection. So what you have to do is to click on this particular place that says connect, and so let's see how they are going to connect with us. So I think I'm going to advise you guys to use Kiwi browser. Yes, this is the browser here. Make sure you use this Kiwi browser because they normally support extension. So this is the browser. So let's see how they're actually going to allow us to connect to the extension. So look at it. So they said add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on add to Chrome over here, and now the extension is going to load and ask me to connect it to Chrome. So this is it. So this particular browser, Kiwi browser, normally have extension kind of a thing, because I'm also using my MetaMask extension on this particular Kiwi browser. And once you're done adding it to your Chrome, all you have to do now is to click on this little line icon in this Kiwi browser, and then scroll up a bit like this. You will see the extension added at the downside of it. So this is my MetaMask extension, and this is the extension of this particular grass extension. So if you click on it, it's going to lead you to where the actual work is being done. And as you can see, I have connected it, and my network quality is 85%. So that says I am doing a great job. So let me go ahead and click on open dashboard. So as for now, the project is now running for you. So it run for you as far as you have internet connection. It's going to be generating coins for you with your internet connection. And if you scroll down like this, you will see where my own is showing now that I'm connected over here, and it's showing on title. So this particular time there was no connection, so I can click on view all to see all my connections. So this is it. I just started it now and it's now working. So you can also click on add network and do other things that follows it. So as you can see, my earning is now increasing. So this is the hint I'm gonna give you guys. You can use the same account on different internet connection. You can use it in different phone, but don't use different accounts in one IP address. You understand? But you can use one account in different phones, so that the more internet connection, the more coins you are earning. This particular project is kind of still new, and don't mess with it. So for you to actually be earning from it, all you have to do is to go ahead on this particular place and always go to your extension and then let it be active. So this is it. Click on grass extension over here. It's going to take you to where it's going to be active, and you can actually leave it like this, and the thing will be running for you. So I think this is all I have for you guys today. For now, this is just an intro for the project. For more information, you can subscribe to the channel and join my WhatsApp group in case there is a new information, a new update on the project. I will always update you guys on it. And also, you can also refer your friends by clicking on this particular refer a friend tab over here, and it's going to give you your link. What it's going to do is that if you refer friends, you are going to be earning some percentage from your friends also. That is if you want to, but you can also run it by yourself. So as I'm saying, sign up with the link in the description of this video and start earning this particular project. Don't look down on any project because it's kind of look like easy. Remember, Avive looks so easy, and today people made a lot of money from it. So I hope I have given you guys a very valuable information, and if this video gives you information, please give me a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and tell me what you think in the comment section. Ask me any question and I'm going to deliver as soon as I can. Anyway, my name still remains King, and this is LK Crypto. See you guys on my next video once again. Bye.